Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to fully reset your Beats Studio buds. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you're running into some issues with your Beats Studio buds, maybe they're not working properly. How do you actually go ahead and reset them? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but first what you want to do is that you want to make sure that both your earbuds are placed within the case. Afterwards, keep the case open, and then you're gonna see this center button here. It's almost invisible right over there. You want to press and hold that button for at least 15 seconds. So once you hold it for 15 seconds, you want to release the button when the LED light flashes red and white. So as you can see right now, it's blinking white. So you're gonna keep holding for about a couple more seconds, so a total of 15 seconds. And right now it turned red and white, so go ahead and let go. Once you release the button, you are going to reset your Beats Studio buds. So this is going to become useful if you're having issues with charging, Bluetooth, or sound. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fully reset your Beats Studio buds. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.